In this video, I'll show you how to create professional product videos with Kling AI step by step. First, open Kling AI and start a new video project. Before generating your video, choose the product you want to showcase and decide what kind of presentation you want. For the best results, start with a clear, high-quality product image. Make sure the product is easy to see and that important details are not hidden. Upload your product image using the image-to-video workflow. Then write a prompt that focuses on how you want the product to move and how the camera should present it. For example, you could describe a premium smartphone placed on a clean modern surface with soft studio lighting, subtle reflections, and a slow cinematic camera rotation around the product. Keep the product itself consistent. Avoid asking Kling AI to completely change the product design, color, shape, or important details unless that is intentional. You can also describe different camera movements, such as a slow zoom-in, smooth rotation, close-up shot, or elegant tracking movement. Lighting is another important part of product videos. You can use descriptions such as soft studio lighting, dramatic highlights, clean reflections, or premium commercial lighting, depending on the style you want. After entering your prompt, generate the video and preview the result carefully. Check whether the product remains consistent throughout the clip. Look at its shape, logo, colors, edges, and other important details. Also check whether the camera movement looks smooth and professional. If something looks incorrect, adjust the prompt and generate another version.